good question. It's a really good question. Thought I'd tackle this because I'm here in the studio literally working. How do I choose the t-shirt? Related search, what is the best t-shirt? I answer this all the time. It's going to be preference. At the end of the day, it's going to be a preference call on your end. So I tell this to everyone. If you're in the United States, what we do here is we use third-party distributors. And I talk about this on the channel all the time. And what you're going to do is you're going to get a sales permit or a wholesale permit that's going to allow you to purchase garments and blanks wholesale, and you're gonna go to a third-party distributor. There's a lot of them. I really like S&S. I also like Sanmar. I've used Mission Imprintables. And what all of these websites do is basically sell a ton of different brands under their one house or their one warehouse. So you can choose from all different kinds of brands under one buy, if that makes sense. So if I need to get trucker hats and I need to get t-shirts and I need to get hoodies, I can make one purchase for them, and once I hit, typically for all of them, once you hit about $200, they give you free shipping, and they'll ship within a day or two to get to your warehouse or apartment or wherever you're making your product. If you want next level, if you want Bella Canvas, if you want LA Apparel, if your client needs you to use Shaka Wear, if you need Gildan or Hanes or Champion or jerseys, what I would do, since there's so many different blanks, is I would make an order and basically test them out. I would grab the shirts in your size, I would wear them, I would see how they feel. Maybe you know right off of pulling them out the box if you'd like it or not. And again, as I said at the top of this video, it's all preference. So some people really want a thin knit, right? A lightweight premium, like a next level, like a Bella Canvas type fine knit. And that's going to be a more expensive blank. But some people, I mean, I'm talking about your customers and consumers, might say, I want a thick, heavyweight cotton like Shaka Wear. And to them, that maybe they want a box fit with thick cotton, a heavier weight cotton. That's going to be a pricier blank too for Shaka Wear, but your customer or you in that demo might say, I feel like that is a more quality tee than a thin, lightweight premium knit from Bella Canvas or Next Level. So because there's a world out there of different blanks, just start ordering some, wash them, maybe make a couple designs, wear them and wash them, and see which blank resonates with you and use that. That's how I chose the blank that I use for my brand. Also, reference point, but if you're not in the United States, if you're in Asia or in South America, and I've done and seen this with my own eyes, in Manila in the Philippines and in Medellin in Cali, Colombia, I've been to the factories. Blanks do exist, but it's much more common for a brand, a clothing brand, to have their tees made from scratch. So in that case, you would just find a manufacturer and start testing out which blanks you like the same way. So you would just purchase a sample tee that they make, and they can make those cuts from scratch. So they can make a pocket tee, a long sleeve, or a regular crew shirt from scratch in some of those other countries. Hope that helps. Like the video, follow for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.